This is a call for you to update your stew recipe. This stew recipe is a banger. It is my signature, and yes, you are welcome to share, and that's why I'm sharing. Go ahead and use it, because this stew recipe is not just for taste, it is for nutrition. It is food and medicine in one place. You're welcome to enjoy. I'll see you later. our signature turkey stew is ready, and that's it. Just go ahead and put your choice protein in it. So in this particular video, I put 2 different types of protein because that is the way it is in my house. Like I said, just go ahead and tailor it to your own need. So some people like egg in their stew, and some like the bird, the turkey. And that's exactly what I did. So that's my great turkey going in there, and in a short while I'm going to bring in my boiled eggs. If you enjoy this video, please kindly click that red button and click the bell sign and choose the option that shows all. That way you get all my notifications anytime I post a video. So as you can see, yeah, I have some eggs that, like, here is open-ended. Go ahead and dump in your choice proteins, okay? But the basic thing is pay attention to the foundation. You saw all the vegetables that went into this stew. Yeah, it's not just your regular stew. This is Stew Pro Max. So yes, you're welcome. Update your recipe. And after cooking, I made myself a very cold pressed carrot and beetroot juice. And that's it. So after cooking, I decided to give myself a treat for a job well done with a glass of cold pressed carrot and beetroot juice. Yeah, so go ahead and enjoy your fresh cold pressed juice. And remember, go ahead and share, subscribe. And thank you for all your comments and all your engagements in my videos. And yay, we're up to 5,000. Thank you, my 5,000 friends. I really appreciate all your support. Okay, and that is our stew. So I will just go ahead and just dish them out in little containers and store in the fridge. Hopefully this can serve for my large family. Maybe in another week, I don't have to be in the kitchen. They can just boil rice, boil whatever they want to do. This is multi-purpose. Bye-bye.